Hi! In front of me is Realme 5i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and go into additional settings over here. Then click on keyboard and input method, go into keyboard over here and click on text correction. Following that, scroll down and click on the switcher next to autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic correction is now off. If you wish to turn it on, just tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!